It's been a rough day. Wait a second. So we're walking around the hotel property, trying to figure out where this hike actually starts, because the map that I have seems like it's 100 years old and really doesn't help at all. Tired?
No. Just a little bit stuffed.
It's a little rough. We're almost at the top though.
This is like that one scene in The Hills Have Eyes where they're like, I'm pretty sure it's just to the right. No, maybe it's the left. No, I don't know. We're too close to West Virginia for those kind of jokes. Sorry, guys.
Well, come on, ladies. God wouldn't have gave us maracas if he didn't want us to shake them.
I am not in the right shoes for these. I don't like basketball sneakers. This is great.
These boots were made for walking, but that's not what I want to do. One of these days, these boots are gonna put baby in the corner. Gotta make us look good. We're trying to go through these thorn bushes to get up to the top of the mountain.
We got you. We got you.
Moly. This is 360 no scope.
Me and Paul used to do funny videos and stuff back in the day. We dropped the camera one time, had to do surgery on it. I don't even know if those are still on YouTube.
Holy crap.
Oh, this is great.
I have to be honest with you.
Holy shit.
I've been up on a lot of hikes. This is by far one of the best views because you get something's burning down there.
Bruh.
You get a whole paranoia norm or whatever it's called.
We're going 360 for yous. Over there, the furthest mountains you can see is West Virginia, we're pretty sure, but don't take our word for it, we don't know.
I'm gonna try doing this paranormal thing. Not paranormal.
Paranormal. Oh, that's great. You can see the fire over there, sort of, if I can.
We've been having a lot of brush fires and
Craziness. We're gonna walk over here. Oh, my eyes are watering and everything.
You gotta be careful where we step, because if you saw this from below, this is literally just...
Yeah, it's nothing but slate. They're just like stacks on stacks, pretty much. Little scary, but it's okay.
That is gorgeous over that way.
I know. Oh.
So you want to film me real quick?
You want me to...
Bonjour, comment allez-vous? I can see a car way down there. Look how small that is.
That's crazy, son. That looks like my spit. Like, you know how you spit and then it's just like looks so small traveling down? You're just like, wait.
So, YouTubers, I have the best signal up here just because, you know.
Oh, dude, yeah, it's great. Look over there.
The tower yet?
Huh?
Have you seen the tower yet?
Yeah, I've showed it once. You got some over there. Bouncing everywhere. You know, everybody's using electricity and stuff and interwebs. One thing that I've always wanted to do. I had to try it. Just for once in my life. Now I'm a yodeler, officially. So we were just looking back here and, you know, you got kids and stuff back here drinking and stuff all the time, but I was being nosy, you know, and me being the kid that I am, picked up this bag and we found a geocache. It's completely like filthy and stuff and just nasty, so you probably don't want to take anything from it. But yeah, that's just how keen we are.
In case you guys don't know, we're pretty big geocachers, but currently we both have no internet on the phone to log the geocache, so we will definitely do that when we get home. But if you like geocaching or don't know what geocaching is, you can click the link in the description. It'll take you to the website. You're welcome. Sean's, gotta open the camera. Well, Sean was making his way up, but I had the camera closed.
I'm up here now.
Quick, I found something. Hey, you. Nobody throws baby in the corner. Let's go.